Hi, I'm Master Tineo, and in today's tutorial, you will learn how to use Movavi Clips to edit video. I already have a video here that I cut in sections using the scissors. Now, the first option to edit, I'm going to use audio. With audio, I can add music or sound to my video. I press the plus sign. I choose the type of sound, and I choose from the list. The ones with the crown are paid. The ones without the crown are free. I'm going to choose one of the free options and then select. Now I have music to this section. I can adjust the volume of the music for my video. When I'm ready, I press confirm. Now I have music for this section. I know there is music because I see the green mark in audio. The next one I'm going to use is text. In this section, I want to add text. I type, and I can also move, change size, change the font, change color, change background color or style of text, and I can adjust the position. When I'm ready, I confirm, and now I have text on that section. Next one I'm going to try is filter. I'm going to add a filter to this section. Here I have the filters. I can try until I find one that looks like it fits what I need to do. When I'm ready, I press confirm, and now I have a filter for this section. Last, I'm going to try the stickers. I have stickers here, some I have to buy, and others are free to use. I'm going to choose from the free section, and I'm going to use one of these. I can have a sticker, adjust the size, rotate, and eliminate if I don't want them. I can add as many stickers as I want for this scene. When I am ready, I press confirm. And now I have stickers on this scene. So far I've tried music, text, filters, and stickers. Now you give it a try.